Welcome back. In the last video, you learned how to name notes clearly in different octaves. Today, we will look at a special kind of accidental, double sharps and double flats. You already know sharps and flats. They raise or lower a note by one semitone. But what happens if a note needs to be changed by two semitones instead of just one? That is where double accidentals come in. A double sharp looks like an X and raises a note by two semitones. Let's look at C as an example. A sharp turns it into C sharp. A double sharp turns it into C double sharp. On the piano, this lands on the same key as D. The naming is very simple. You just add the word double sharp to the note name. So F becomes F double sharp, G becomes G double sharp, and so on. The opposite is the double flat. It lowers a note by two semitones. D becomes D double flat. On the piano, this lands on the same key as C. Again, the naming is straightforward. C becomes C double flat, D becomes D double flat, and so on. Now you may ask, why do we need double accidentals at all? Couldn't we just write the note that uses the same piano key? In scales and chords, this often does not work. Let's look at the harmonic minor scale. You may remember that in the natural minor scale, there is a whole step between the seventh degree and the tonic. In harmonic minor, the seventh degree is raised by a semitone to create the leading tone. Let's take G sharp minor as an example. The natural scale consists of G sharp, A sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, E, and F sharp. For the harmonic minor scale, we raise the seventh degree. That means F sharp becomes one semitone higher. On the piano, this lands on the same key as G. But we do not write G, we write F double sharp. Why? Because in a scale, each note letter should only appear once. The scale already contains G sharp. If we wrote G instead, the same note letter would appear twice. That is why we write F double sharp. Double accidentals do not only appear in scales, but also in chords. Let's look at a D sharp major triad. A D major triad one semitone lower consists of D, F sharp, and A. If we raise each note by one semitone, we get D sharp, F double sharp, and A sharp. Once again, we see F double sharp. And once again, the spelling is logical, even if it may look unusual at first. And now a quick quiz. Which piano key is F double flat? Exactly. Two semitones below F. F double flat lands on the same key as D sharp or E flat. Now you know how double sharps and double flats work, and why we need them. If you have any questions, write them in the comments. In the next video, we will look at the C clefs. See you next time.